Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to import the sales order through Excel sheet. So in sales order, we'll click on this manage sales orders. So a automated batch will be created like this. Okay. So we need to select channel type. So in my case, for example, I'm just taking the WooCommerce. Okay, the source type you can select through API import if we are importing through e-commerce portal, or if we are importing through Excel or CSV, we'll click on this. So as soon you click on this, a few more options open here. Choose the file. There are two download options available here for the template. Okay, this is for a single customer and this is for the multiple customer. Basically, when you are importing a multiple sales order for a single customer, you can use this template. If you're importing multiple customers with a multiple sales orders, you can import this template. So once you click on this, automatically the template will be downloaded as Excel in your skin. You can see here. So if I open this Excel, it looks like this. It's a sales order number, ID and number. It can be based on your running number. Okay, what item, the details, quantity, basic details of the customer and other things has been filled here. In my example, I'm just taking one single line item and with a single customer. Let's get back to the application. So I'll just click on the browse and uh, choose the Excel sheet which I just wanted to import. So I'll click on the open. So this has imported into the application. So basically it validates the item, which is it this item available in the item master. Second, it also checks for the duplicates. Is the sales order has been imported by any other person, and you can also see the complete details. You can see the customer name and other things which has been imported through Excel. So if I click on convert to sales order, so basically it converts this import to a sales order. Here we can see multiple options: approve of all sales orders, convert to sales order to pick, auto pick, and pick complete. Okay, so what we will do is we'll go to sales orders and sales orders. So here we can see the orders which has got converted into sales order through Excel. So you can see the customer name, batch ID, and you can see the status as open. So let me go inside the sales order. So as when we go inside the sales order, you can see here the which warehouse it has to be picked from, the details, everything is flowing completely in the sales orders. Okay, here we can see the status as open. We can convert this manually, or we can go to manage sales orders again and approve all sales orders. I can click here. You can select by batch or document. I'm going to select by batch now. So I'm going to select the batch which I just converted. Okay, you can see the customer name. If they in this batch, if you have around 100 sales orders, you can convert or approve this all sales orders at one shot. So I'm clicking on approve sales orders, so it got approved. So next is convert all sales order to pick. That means when we do this orders will be start displaying the warehouse for actual pick process. So if I click on convert to pick, so now it has been created a pick in the warehouse. So let's go to the warehouse operations and click on the pick. So here you can see the document with the name of Anand. Okay, let's go inside. So this is the actual pick process. Okay, so this can be also operated through Android app. Okay, you can see the item, what is the required quantity. If I click on pick or dock, so it also shows me what is the where this stock is available, in which rack, bin level. Okay, also it shows which what is the requirement quantity, what is the available quantity. If I'm doing manually, I can just key in here directly the quantity we are picking up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my sales order, manage sales order, and just click on auto pick, select the batch. So this is the batch. So I'll click on auto pick. So this got converted and it's been successfully updated. Now I have updated the pick quantity. Now I need to post this to reduce the stock and push it to the next level for the finance. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do manually. I'm going to click here, post pick all picks. So I can see the batch here which is reflecting here. Okay, so as soon as I select, I can see the quantity has been picked and other things. Okay, so I'll click on post pick. So I got a successful error message. So now if I go back to my sales order and see the actual status of it, so see here Anand. Okay, so you can see the pick completed, the status is ready and it's ready for the invoice. So further process is you'll go to the finance part and you'll pull the sales order and you'll invoice this. So this is a complete process how you can automate through importing through Excel or API.